rise and say a prayer? Dear Lord, thank you for such a wonderful day. Thank you for keeping the rain away until later this afternoon. Thank you for blessing Butterfly Kisses. Thank you for blessing all of us, moms and teachers and dads, for all these wonderful children. They bring us so much blessings during the year. We all love them to bits. Just thank you for having us here today to gather together and enjoy such a special occasion. Thank you. Amen. We're going to start with the concert first, and after the concert we're going to have a graduation and then a little demonstration with the Dance Mouse Girls and the ballet. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.